we're back again with weekly parenting pins by Akanksha Tyagi. And today, the very important topic that we are going to cover, and I have been receiving these messages quite a long time now. So I thought of covering one of these topics today, and the topic is my child is over pampered. So bad news over here is that there's no one to be blamed for this except you. There are few reasons that you've tried to fulfill every wish of your child. जब आप कभी छोटे थे तो आपको कोई चीज़ नहीं मिली, आप नहीं चाहते कि आपके बच्चे भी वो चीज़ ना ले सकें या उन्हें ना मिल पाए. You go beyond your monthly budget many times to fulfill that wish of your child, and this actually makes kids that I can cry, I can shout, and I can do these things to get my wishes fulfilled from my parent. Because you don't want your child to hate you. You want your child to love you. And you think in future he'll love you the most. But the bad news is that this is not gonna happen. This is not going to happen. Make them understand the importance of gratitude. Make them understand the importance of things. Make them understand the importance of money. Make them understand the value of people. Never ever try to fulfill all the wishes of your child, even if it's a toy. Always see the right age recommendation before buying a toy according to the age. Always see what is good for them and what is bad for them. First reason was that you tried to fill that gap, that during your childhood you did not get that thing. You want your child to give all those things that you did not had during your childhood. Point number 2, either you don't want to give time to your child, and to compensate on that you give them toys and whatever they wish for. They need your time. They really don't understand toys. They'll play for that toy for probably 2 to 3 days, but after that they will demand of another new toy. They want to talk to someone. They want to play with someone. They are a living being. There is no non-living thing that can actually help them to suffice your replacement. No, there's no other thing that can suffice that. So they need your time. Many times parents say that if I won't give my child what he wants or what he demands, he'll hate me. It's better they hate you at that moment rather than hating you in the future. That's much better, I would say. So my piece of advice to all the parents who try to spend so much of money on their kids, whether in schooling or in buying toys or in some other co-curricular activities, without understanding where the interest of the child lies. If they are spending so much of money on that, they are actually spoiling their child. Do consider these 3 points that I have shared with you, and definitely it's gonna help. Thank you, everyone.